Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Deb. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for stir-fry water spinach with garlic, also known as Rau Muong Xao Toi. Here are all the ingredients that you'll need. I bought one bunch of water spinach, also known as Ong Choy or Morning Glory. We'll only use half of it for the purpose of this video. You'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of natural mushroom seasoning, and 8 cloves of garlic. If you decide to use all the water spinach, just double the serving size of all the other ingredients. The first step is to cut and rinse the water spinach. To begin, cut the spinach into 2 to 3 inches depending on the bite size that you prefer. I find it easier just to cut it into thirds. Next, I'm going to pluck some leaves off of the leafy end, which we can use for another dish. I prefer the stem for its crunchiness, and some people prefer the leafy part, and you can leave it on. For the garlic, I'm going to mince 4 cloves for frying, and the other 4, I'm just going to smash it so it can be added into the dish for extra flavoring and texture. After we cut the water spinach to the desired size, wash the spinach a few times to get rid of any excess dirt. I did this 3 times just to be safe. Step 2 is to blanch the greens. To do this, boil a pot of water and add a bit of salt. Once it comes to a boil, add in the water spinach and let it soak for 30 seconds. You don't want to leave it too long or it will be overcooked. This dish is best served crunchy. While we wait for that, get a large bowl with water and add ice to it. Shocking the vegetables in an ice bath after blanching stops the vegetable from further cooking to prevent loss of flavor, color, and texture. By putting it in ice cold water, the spinach will keep its bright green color to look more appetizing and to keep its crunchy texture. Step 3 is to stir fry the greens. Add in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pan on high heat. Add in all of the minced garlic, saving only the smashed garlic for later. Stir it around until it gets a golden brown color to it. Then add in all of the water spinach. Spread it around in the pan, then add in the 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, the 1 tablespoon of natural mushroom seasoning, the 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then turn off the stove and stir around so the greens can soak in the savory sauce. Throw in the smashed garlic and continue to stir. There you have it, a super cheap, quick, and easy side dish that you can add to your delicious dinner. Rau Muong Xao is very versatile and you can add other toppings like beef. Dip it in the sauce that we made or with soy sauce and a bit of chili. If you enjoyed this video, please help out the channel by hitting the like button. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Now it's your turn to get cooking.